Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright. Alright, I'm gonna show you the Travis Scott preset. I'll show you the no auto tune preset. Ooh, yeah, it's Lee. Straight up. So like that's what it sounds like without an auto tune, and yeah, bro. So this is what it sounds with the preset and auto tune. Ooh, yeah, it's Lee. Straight up. Straight up. Yeah, bro, this is what it sounds like with the preset and auto tune. Whoa, whoa. But yeah, hit me up on Instagram if you want this preset. And yeah, us.